Okay, well, you know what? Let's try putting some more gas in it. It doesn't seem to want to go. Yep. Gas. Need gas. Yeah, that's it. Should have some now. Let's wait. Let's check this here. Let's listen. Oh, that's a fuel pump. That's sucking gas now. Whew. All right, which brings us to the point of this video. Name that sound. Because I can't for the life of me figure it out. I know it's that thing. I know that's what's making the noise. It doesn't matter if I push in the clutch. Like I got tranny noise. You can hear that. But what on earth? Is that a lifter? Now, I know. The whole truck's a mess, but I don't know. I redid the upper end. It's got a new head gasket, but I have a massive amount of blow-by. If I take the cap off, it just blows it off, so I assume that the seals and the pistons and the rings and everything are toast, but hey, I'm not an engine guy. I don't know. So I leave it up to you, Internet. What's wrong with my truck? Nothing's wrong with my dog. Say hi to everyone, Mags. That's a good girl. Alright, everyone. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment below.